6:41 on this Monday morning, a live look here out in North Myrtle Beach where some overnight road work is going on. And boy, what a cold night for those crews to be out working on the roads. 28 degrees is the temperature, but feeling at least 10 degrees colder than that.
For sure. That's our mass cam that sits on top of our live shot, live truck, and it kind of goes way on up there, so the wind kind of moving around, moving the camera around a little bit. And this is some video we shot earlier this morning, too. A lot of flags around the area, and they are blowing out there fiercely as the cold air works its way in. Looks like a picture there. That's actually some frost and some windshields out there this morning, just to show you how cold it is starting out on this work week and school week. So if you're out at the bus stop, I tell you what, try and limit your time to the exposure out there because it is cold. The numbers feeling like the teens here to start you out today. And we've got even colder air to come because those winds are blowing in that cold air to start us out this whole first half of the week, in fact. 19 Lumberton, 19 Bennettsville to 16 in Darlington and 15 Florence. Here's what we're tracking this Monday. Back to the cold conditions we go. Another Arctic blast. The blustery winds combined makes it feel more like the teens this morning, as you just saw. And it'll feel freezing all day because we're only getting into the upper 30s for afternoon highs. When you factor in those gusty winds, it'll feel like 32 degrees and even lower. Myrtle Beach, 14-mile-per-hour sustained winds. Florence at 15, anywhere from 10 to 15-mile-per-hour winds. With higher gusts, Florence and Darlington, 21-mile-per-hour gusts, with Lumberton at 20-mile-per-hour gusts. And those temperatures, again, feeling like 15 in Florence, 16 in Darlington, 17 in Myrtle Beach, with 19 both North Myrtle Beach and Lumberton. Satellite and radar showing the cold front that blew through. Behind it, the northwesterly winds bringing in all this cold air, cold enough to support plenty of snow back into the Virginias, Kentucky, Tennessee, even Charlotte dealing with a few snow flurries as this cold air worked its way in. And the jet stream, it's diving down to the south again. That's what divides the cold and warm air. And so when the jet makes its way down into the Carolinas, so does the Arctic air. We saw it last week. We're starting out this week the same way. So here's what you need as you head out. You need the gloves. You need the winter coats. You need the hats and the earmuffs if you got them, because we've got these cold numbers to last here, not only this morning, but also into tomorrow morning when it gets even colder. Matter of fact, the temperatures will likely look like these wind chill values tomorrow morning, and the winds will be sticking around as well. Sticking around this afternoon, gusty winds upwards of 20, 25 miles per hour, 39 beaches, 38 inland, but with that wind, it will feel like the low 30s. Paula?